Them Babylon walls can crumble tonight. We elevate with souls on the flight. Roots so firm but the mind in the height. The dubber make the darkness all the light. Feel the bass line deep in your chest. The drummer call your heart for rest. Hold the vibe, make the worries get less. This Jamaican night, we prove we the best. Rivers talk soft, but the ocean roar. Jah put the power in, we sure for soar. The sound system echo open every door. We not stay silent, now live like before. Feel the bass line deep in your chest. The drummer call your heart for rest. Hold the vibe, make the pain get less. This Jamaican truth, we rise from the mess. One love, one light, we chant till it dawn. Dubbing our veins, keep the spirit reborn. The stars, them a guide, the moon a go on. The rhythm of the message, it can't be torn. Them Babylon walls can crumble tonight. We elevate with souls on the flight. Roots so firm but the mind in the height. The dubber make the darkness all the light. Feel the bass line deep in your chest. The drummer call your heart for rest. Hold the vibe, make the pain get less. This Jamaican truth, we rise from the mess. Soft but the ocean roar. Jah put the power in, we sure for soar. The sound system echo open every door. We not stay silent, now live like before. One love, one light, we chant till the dawn. Dubbing our veins, keep the spirit reborn. The stars, them a guide, the moon a go on. The rhythm of the message, it can't be torn. Listen me now, me people hear the tale. Under the sun where the rivers never fail. The heart beats strong like a thunder gale. Jah guide me path, me never walk frail. The moonshine come when the nights get deep. Enough man a stress but me soul not sleep. Play me rhythm strong foundation keep. With the bass line heavy make the mist blood weep. Oh Jah bless the horizon wide and free. The mountains tall and the endless sea. Guide me youth, them let them live for be. The light in the darkness eternally. Me step for the land where the elders pray. Chant out loud till the bad vibes sway. With the rhythm in the heart and the word me say. Unity strong, make the wicked delay. Oh Jah bless the horizon wide and free. The mountains tall and the endless sea. Guide me youth, them let them live for the darkness eternally. Miss a fire burn for the lies them tell. The rhythm strong make the hopeless dwell. With strength me rise like the ocean swell. The bass sound deep like the earth core shell. The mountains tall and the endless sea. Guide me youth, them let them live for be. The light in the darkness eternally. Oh, Jah bless the horizon wide and free. The mountains tall and the endless sea. Guide me youth, them let them live for be. The light in the darkness eternally. Me set fire burn for the lies them tell. The rhythm strong make the hopeless dwell. With strength me rise like the ocean swell. The bass sound deep like the earth core shell. Oh, Jah bless the horizon wide and free. The mountains tall and the endless sea. Guide me youth, them let them live for be. The light in the darkness eternally. Me say fire burn for the lies them tell. The rhythm strong make the hopeless dwell. With strength me rise like the ocean swell. The bass sound deep like the earth core shell.
Oh, Jah guide me pon the road. The fire blaze, I keep me soul bold. Bassline a bubble, make me body roll. Reggae rhythm deep like a bottomless hole. Sunset red, the sky look fierce. My heart beats steady through life's pierce. No water fi quench the fire, me searching. The truth in the rhythm, me always lurking. Big bassline, make me spirit sway. The rhythm tell story fi who not hear. The dubba echo in a darkness clear. Me culture strong, me ancestors cheer. Feel the roots grow deep when the rhythm near. Me chant fi the youth, them who lose faith. Me sing fi the ghetto, push away hate. The drum beat strong, it elevate. Hold the vibe steady, now renegade. Big bassline, make me spirit sway. Me chant for the youth, them who lose faith. Me sing for the ghetto, push away hate. The drum beat strong, it elevate. All